Dogecoin might gain 3.1% tomorrow, according to CoinLore analysis. To start things off, here's where the price is standing today. As of this recording, Dogecoin has dropped by 1.7% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $0.09981. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. Crypto Predictions sees a slide to $0.09887 tomorrow, a potential loss of 0.9%. Gov Capital Collector suggests Dogecoin could move towards $0.10127, gaining approximately 1.6%. Digital Coin Price points out it could head higher to $0.10169, about 2% above now. Another forecast released by CoinLore notes Dogecoin could be on track for $0.1028, a gain estimated at 3.1%. And finally, Cryptonization suggests a price of $0.1032 by March 18, which is 3.5% higher than now. This is the most profitable outlook in the set. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. The aggregated outlook from all analysts suggests that the price could change between a decrease of 0.9% and a gain of 3.5%, depending on the analyst. Therefore, Cryptonization stands out with the highest projected return with 3.5% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could generate between $9 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the odds, Crypto Predictions leads with a 95.1% chance of success. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. According to the consensus, Dogecoin appears set for an increase of about 1.9%. So here's the breakdown. Consensus projections indicate a 1.9% increase by tomorrow. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 1.9%. For a 1,000 example, this could show a potential profit of around $19. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Dogecoin holding true is roughly 92.2%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. Crypto Predictions suggest the direction is clearly higher. Gov Capital Collector indicates the chart will remain balanced. Digital Coin Price describes Dogecoin as following a rising course. Meanwhile, CoinLore describes the trajectory as climbing steadily. Additionally, Cryptonization signals the price is moving on to higher ground. By aligning the individual forecasts, the consensus indicates Dogecoin showing upward movement throughout the 3-day period. Taken as a whole, most analysts present a positive outlook, keeping Dogecoin tilted toward growth. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Yesterday gave us the results to compare. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $0.10306. The majority of analysts' forecasts were accurate about the move. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from CoinLore. Here comes the breakdown. Yesterday's candle excluded all 5 predictions. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by CoinLore at 7.2%. Now on screen is the summary table. All forecasts lined up for review. Looking at the summary, CoinCodex registered 7.2% ROI and $0.20665,768,456 accuracy. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Now let's see how Dogecoin's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. Among tomorrow's forecasts, the asset in focus is ahead with 1.9% profitability. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the full ranking of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted profitability will also be open soon on my website and Telegram. And that's today's wrap-up. Subscribe to stay ahead of the next wave of forecasts. Catch you tomorrow.